Hello and welcome to the 9th episode on how to use GitKraken Studio 2.0 edition. So in this episode, I'll show you how to revert a commit. Maybe you made a commit that you did not want to make, or maybe you merged into staging and you want to undo it off of staging. Maybe it wasn't ready or it has a severe problem. I'm going to use staging for this example, but you can actually use it on your own branch if you need to. So reverting is just simply going to the previous commit, right? So if we want to undo this commit, go to the commit before it, right? Because we want to reset up to, and then hover over reset. So soft keeps all your changes, and then you got hard, which will delete everything. So let's say you need to recover work, so you still want to keep everything. Use soft. You can use hard to delete everything. Remember, hard is permanent. You will lose everything if you use this. Or soft, right? You can see it creates a WIP commit. And then once you're on this stage, you can always create a branch, and then you can just commit this changes here, and then it undoes it from staging. But remember that if you do anything to staging or anything, right, you can see staging has a down arrow. Because we took action onto it, right, obviously we're going to be behind on staging. So I'm going to quickly commit. So you can see that staging is behind, right? But we are undoing a commit. We're taking an action onto the branch, right? We're changing the structure of it. You can click pull, and then you just undone all the work you have done, right? Now, we want to undo this commit, but you can see we're now up here. So what we want to do, I'm going to do hard, is push. Now, it's going to be like, do you want to pull fast forward or force push? When you see pull fast forward, what we'll do is it will pull everything and merge it into your branch, or whether it will try to update your branch first, right, before pushing. But because we, again, took action, we don't want to pull, we want to force push. So now, when we force push, you can see that commit message disappears. And just like that, we have successfully undone a commit.